Hello children, this is my first video on this chapter History lesson number 1 Vijayanagar Empire. So I welcome all of you to this class. Before discussing about the Vijayanagar Empire, let us discuss about the introduction about this lesson. Before the arrival of the Vijayanagar Empire, there are number of important expeditions which are started during the 13th century. So the important among them are Delhi Sultanates. So the famous among the Delhi Sultanates are Alauddin Khilji. So Alauddin Khilji was one of the famous conqueror of the Delhi Sultanate. So they are planning to enter to occupy South Indian Empire, and because of his expedition he conquered so many places in South India. For that intention he came to South India, and his expedition he continued up to 14th century. As a result, what happened is there are so many other important South Indian kingdoms which were ruling in our South India. Among them, Yadavas of Devagiri, Hoysalas of Dwarasamudra, Kakatiyas of Warangal, Pandyas of Madurai, and these rulers are defeated by one another. So they are not having their own unity. So for the expansion purpose, they are undertaken number of wars. So in that period of time, Khilji rulers also planned to conquer South Indian dynasty. So in that period of time, the Vijayanagar Empire succeeded in creating a strong political power for the solution of all these South Indian problems and whatever the political issues are going on. So they wanted to avoid it and they wanted to give full stop for all these problems. So Vijayanagar Empire ruled 3 centuries. In this lesson, some of the important dynasties which ruled Vijayanagar Empire are explained, and the contribution of Vijayanagar kings to the field of political, social, economical, literary, art and sculpture are discussed. Then the Battle of Talikot, Rakkasatangadi, which was also one of the important main reason for the decline of Vijayanagar Empire, and its effects are all discussed about this lesson. Now let us discuss what are the important points which are included about this lesson. 1. We have to understand the achievements of Vijayanagar kings in this lesson. Second point is the important administration, social, economic conditions and literature of Vijayanagar period. Third point is about art and sculpture of the Vijayanagar period. Fourth one, the religious equality maintained by the Vijayanagar kings. Fifth one, you have to identify the important places how the Vijayanagar emperors have expanded in South India during the rule of Vijayanagar Empire. Like this, Vijayanagar Empire founded in the year 1336 AD, and it was developed on the southern bank of Tungabhadra river by the Sangama brothers. So they says that this empire established in 1336 AD, and the Sangama brothers are Harihara, Bukkaraya, Kampana, Marappa, Muddappa. So these are the 5 important brothers. They belong to Sangama family. And Hampi of Bellary district was their important capital. And this important empire, it was developed by Hakka Bukka, they say, that is Harihara and Bukkaraya were the main important persons responsible to start this empire, that is Vijayanagar Empire. And the emblem of this empire is boar or Varaha. So like this, the Vijayanagar Empire established its glorious foundation in the year 1336 AD, and it was established on the bank of river Tungabhadra, which is located in Bellary district. Now, I will review these points, whatever we have discussed now. Today, we have discussed under History, 7th Standard, Lesson 1, Vijayanagar Empire. So, in the introduction, some of the important expeditions which were started turning towards the South India, that is during the 13th century by the Delhi Sultanates and continued up to 14th century. The famous important Sultan who concentrated to expand his power over South Indian dynasty is none other than Alauddin Khilji, one of the important ruler of the Khilji dynasty. So during this period of time, some of the South Indians were ruling in South India. So which are the important kingdoms are 1. Yadavas of Devagiri, Hoysalas of Dwarasamudra, Kakatiyas of Warangal, Pandyas of Madurai. So all these 4 emperors are defeated one another for the expansion of their political power over South Indian Empire. The Vijayanagar Empire established its important administration from 1336 CE. So on the southern bank of river Tungabhadra, which is located in Bellary districts. So the sons of Sangama are called Harihara, Bukkaraya, Kampana, Marappa, Muddappa. So these are the 5 important Sangama sons established their administration in South India. The capital of Vijayanagar Empire is Hampi, which is located in Bellary district. The national emblem was boar or Varaha. So this is one of the important national emblem of Vijayanagar Empire. So these are the main important points you should know about this lesson. So in next of my video, I will continue the next of the topic about Vijayanagar Empire. Thank you, children.